Prepositions of place. Today we are learning 5 prepositions of place. These prepositions help you to say where something is. Let's see. You can see a box and a ball. Study the position of the ball and what's the preposition we use. For this position we use the preposition in. The ball is in the box. Let's move to the second one. Now, the ball is under the box. Study the position. For this position, we use the preposition under. So, the ball is under the box. Now, the ball is on the surface. The ball is on the box. For this position, we use the preposition on. Study the pictures and identify the preposition. The ball is on the box. Now, the ball is next to. For this position, we use the preposition next to. The ball is next to the box. Last for today, the preposition behind. The ball is behind the box. Study the pictures and identify the prepositions easily and